Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Frustrated with a cluttered center console or messy trunk? Or tired of constantly cleaning dirty floors? Your Lexus NX deserves better. In this video, we're tackling those everyday driving problems with smart, stylish accessories designed specifically for the Lexus NX lineup.
From practical organizers to sleek trim upgrades, you'll see how small changes can make a big impact. Whether you own the NX 250, NX 350, NX 350H or NX 450H+, these accessories fit all trims perfectly. And the best part? Everything we show is available right on Amazon. So if you spot something you love, be sure to check the links in the description. Let's start the video. Let's start with a simple but handy solution, a center console organizer. Tired of your Lexus NX center console turning into a cluttered mess? Say goodbye to digging through chaos and hello to sleek organization with the custom-fit center console organizer. Designed specifically for the Lexus NX, this insert creates dedicated compartments for your essentials like keys, coins, cards, chargers, and more so, everything has its place. It's easy to install, slides out smoothly for quick access, and is removable for simple cleaning. Transform your driving experience from messy to minimalist in seconds.
Next accessory in our list is a floor mats. Driving a Lexus NX means enjoying luxury, comfort, and style, so why let your floors fall behind? Custom floor mats made specifically for the NX keep your interior looking flawless, no matter what life throws your way. Mud, spills, dirt, or snow, these mats handle it all with waterproof surfaces, raised edges, and a perfect, slip-free fit. They don't just protect your car, they enhance it. Whether you're heading to the office or off on an adventure, your Lexus stays clean and sharp.
Next item in our list is a trunk mat. Tired of dirt, spills, and scratches ruining your Lexus NX's trunk? Meet the perfect upgrade, the Trunk Mat for Lexus NX. Designed to fit like a glove, this all-weather mat protects your cargo space from mud, groceries, pet hair. Its non-slip surface keeps everything in place, while the raised edges trap messes before they spread. Easy to install, a breeze to clean, and built to last. This is the must-have accessory every Lexus NX owner needs. Make every drive cleaner, smarter, and more stylish. Grab your trunk mat today and protect your investment in seconds.
Next accessory in our list is a rain guards. Say goodbye to stuffy rides and rainy day hassles with rain guards for your Lexus NX. These sleek aerodynamic visors let you crack your windows open for fresh air even during heavy rain without soaking your interior. Perfect for reducing wind noise, blocking out harsh sun, and keeping your ride cool. They install easily with no tools and blend seamlessly with your Lexus NX's design. Whether you're cruising in a drizzle or parked under the sun, rain guards add both function and style.
Next item in our list is a door sill protector. Protect your Lexus NX in style with a door sill protector that does more than just look good. Every time you step in or out, your door sills face scuffs, scratches, and dirt, but not anymore. These sleek protectors shield vulnerable edges from daily wear, while adding a premium, custom touch to your interior. Easy to install with no tools needed, they're durable, stylish, and made to match your Lexus NX perfectly.
Next accessory in our list is center console cover for Lexus NX. Protect your Lexus NX's interior where it matters most with a premium center console cover. Over time, the center console takes a beating constant arm resting, spills from coffee cups, and scratches from keys or bags. This custom-fit cover adds a layer of defense without sacrificing the sleek look of your cabin. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant materials, it blends perfectly with your factory interior, maintaining that luxurious feel Lexus is known for. Installation is simple, requiring no tools, and once it's on, you'll notice the difference instantly.
Next item in our list, anti-dust cup holder inserts for Lexus NX. Your Lexus NX deserves to stay spotless inside and out, and that's where these anti-dust cup holder and door slot inserts come in. Designed to fit perfectly into every cup holder, door pocket, and console slot, these silicone liners catch crumbs, dust, and spills before they can damage or dirty your interior. They're incredibly easy to remove and wash, just rinse and reinsert. Plus, they reduce annoying rattling sounds from coins or keys. With added grip and a clean finish, these inserts are both a functional and aesthetic upgrade.
Next accessory in our list is a roof rack's crossbar. Unlock your Lexus NX's full adventure potential with roof rack crossbars built for strength, style, and versatility. Whether you're packing bikes, skis, kayaks, or a roof box for your next road trip, these crossbars transform your SUV into a true travel companion. They're aerodynamic and designed to minimize wind noise, all while securely holding your gear on top. With easy installation and a sleek profile that doesn't compromise your NX's elegant lines, these roof racks are perfect for weekend getaways or daily hauling. Durable, dependable, and stylish, get ready to take more wherever the road leads.
Next essential item is Mud Flap Splash Guard for Lexus NX. Protect your Lexus NX from the harshest road conditions with mud flaps designed for precision and durability. Every drive exposes your vehicle to mud, stones, slush, and road debris, all of which can damage your paint and underbody over time. These custom-fit mud flaps are molded to match the contours of your NX, providing full coverage without interfering with your vehicle's appearance. They're tough enough to handle the roughest terrains and sleek enough to complement your SUV's design.
Another important accessory is a wireless charging pad. Cut the cords and upgrade your Lexus NX with a wireless charging pad that's all about convenience and style. Say goodbye to messy cables and fumbling with plugs. Just drop your phone on the pad and it starts charging instantly, perfect for long drives, short trips, and everything in between. With a non-slip surface and fast charging capabilities, your device stays secure and powered up while you stay focused on the road. This charging pad is designed to blend seamlessly into your NX's console, preserving the luxury look you love. It's a modern must-have that keeps you powered and connected wirelessly.
Next product in the list is a Windshield Sunshade. Beat the summer heat and protect your Lexus NX's interior with a windshield sunshade that's both stylish and functional. Custom designed to fit the windshield precisely, this sunshade reflects harmful UV rays and intense sunlight, preventing your dashboard and seats from cracking, fading, or overheating. It's a quick way to keep your cabin cooler even on the hottest days, making every entry more comfortable. Whether you park outdoors daily or only occasionally, this sunshade is an essential accessory to maintain your interior's elegance and comfort year-round.
Next essential item is screen protector for Lexus NX. Keep your infotainment screen looking crystal clear and scratch-free with a screen protector made exclusively for the Lexus NX. Touchscreens are one of the most frequently used elements in your car, which makes them vulnerable to fingerprints, smudges, glare, and accidental scratches. This ultra-thin, responsive protector fits edge to edge, preserving touch sensitivity while shielding your display. Installation is bubble-free and leaves no residue when removed. Plus, it reduces glare and improves visibility in bright sunlight.
Next product in our list is a envelope-style cargo net. Keep your cargo secure and your trunk organized with the envelope-style cargo net made for the Lexus NX. Whether it's groceries, sports gear, tools, or travel essentials, this net holds everything firmly in place, so you're not dealing with a messy trunk after every drive. Designed to stretch and expand, it fits snugly within your cargo space and features durable hooks for quick attachment. Its raised envelope style prevents items from sliding around or tipping over. It's the little things that make daily driving more convenient, and this cargo net is one of them.
Next accessory in our list is a gear shift panel frame cover trim. Give your Lexus NX's center console a premium upgrade with the gear shift panel frame cover trim. This stylish accessory adds a refined touch to the gear shift area, enhancing your interior's visual appeal with a modern, sporty edge. It's designed to fit precisely over the existing panel, with a sleek finish that complements your vehicle's factory aesthetics. Whether you prefer carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, or glossy black, this trim adds personality to your cabin. It's resistant to fingerprints, scratches, and fading. Plus, installation is hassle-free with strong adhesive backing.
Next item in our list is a steering wheel cover trim. Turn your steering wheel into a statement piece with the steering wheel cover trim for Lexus NX. This accessory adds a subtle yet striking layer of sophistication, protecting high-touch areas from daily wear while giving your wheel a more refined, luxurious look. Whether you're going for a sporty feel or elegant finish, the trim comes in various styles to match your personality and the NX's premium interior. It fits snugly, installs in minutes with adhesive backing, and won't interfere with driving or comfort. It's an easy upgrade that instantly enhances your connection with your car literally at your fingertips.
Another beautiful accessory is a leather gear shift knob cover grade. Add comfort and class to your drive with a leather gear shift knob cover tailored for the Lexus NX. Over time, the gear knob can wear out, feeling less comfortable and looking dull. This cover wraps it in premium leather, offering a better grip, smoother shifts, and a luxurious texture that elevates your daily commute. With precision stitching and a snug fit, it complements the overall design of your cabin and matches other leather accents. Easy to install and resistant to fading, stains, and sweat, it's a simple addition that makes a noticeable difference every time you drive.
Next product in our list is leather seat covers. Protect your factory seats and upgrade your cabin's elegance with leather seat covers designed specifically for the Lexus NX. These high-quality covers offer a glove-like fit, wrapping each seat in durable, breathable leather that resists spills, wear, and UV damage. Whether you're dealing with kids, pets, or long commutes, these covers provide both comfort and protection without compromising your vehicle's upscale feel. With detailed stitching and sleek contours, they look and feel like the real deal. Add in the ease of cleaning and long-lasting durability, and you've got a smart interior upgrade that pays off every mile.
Next accessory in our list is car door logo projector lights. Add a touch of show-stopping style to your Lexus NX with car door logo projector lights. These lights activate when you open your door, casting a crisp Lexus logo onto the ground. It's eye-catching, elegant, and practical. Besides impressing your passengers, it also helps illuminate your step at night, adding a layer of safety. Installation is simple, just replace your factory puddle lights or mount them in minutes without wiring. They're long-lasting, energy-efficient, and sure to turn heads every time you open your door. It's a small detail that makes a big first impression.
Next item in our list is a key fob cover for Lexus NX. Keep your key fobs stylish and protected with a key fob cover made for the Lexus NX. Your key is something you use daily, and over time, it can scratch, wear, or even crack. This sleek cover shields your fob from damage while enhancing its look with premium materials like leather, silicone, or metal finish. It fits like a glove, with precise button cutouts that maintain full functionality. Lightweight and durable, it slips easily into your pocket or bag without bulk. Protect your investment and add a touch of class every time you unlock your ride.
Next accessory in our list is a dash cam suitable for Lexus NX. Stay protected and prepared with a dash cam designed for Lexus NX drivers who want peace of mind on the road. This discreet, high-definition camera captures everything in front of your vehicle day or night, rain or shine. In the event of an accident or dispute, you'll have clear video proof at your fingertips. Some models even offer GPS tracking, motion detection, and cloud storage. Installation is clean and simple, fitting neatly behind your rearview mirror so it never obstructs your view. Whether you're parked or cruising, a dash cam is the quiet guardian every Lexus NX should have.
Next item in our list is a remote start kit for Lexus NX. Experience true convenience with a remote start kit for your Lexus NX. Imagine starting your vehicle from inside your home, office, or across the parking lot, warming it up in the winter or cooling it down in the summer before you even step outside. This kit integrates seamlessly with your NX's existing systems, offering reliable performance and easy control from a key fob or smartphone app, depending on the model. It's a game changer for comfort and climate control, especially in extreme weather. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
Next accessory in our list is a seat gap filler for Lexus NX. Stop losing your phone, keys, or coins between the seats with a seat gap filler designed to fit your Lexus NX perfectly. This clever accessory slides right between your seat and center console, filling the annoying gap that swallows your essentials. Made from soft, flexible materials, it doesn't interfere with seat adjustments or comfort. It also adds an extra pocket for small items, keeping your cabin cleaner and more organized. No more awkward reaches or distractions while driving, just a smoother, smarter ride. It's a small fix that makes a big impact on your daily driving experience.
Next item in our list is a retractable trunk cover. Protect your valuables and maintain a clean, finished look with a retractable trunk cover for your Lexus NX. This cover easily extends to conceal items in your cargo area from prying eyes. Ideal for shopping bags, gear, or personal belongings. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your trunk layout, retracts smoothly when not in use, and is made from durable materials that resist wear and fading. Whether you're running errands or heading on a road trip, it keeps your cargo out of sight and your trunk looking tidy. It's practical, secure, and effortlessly stylish.
Next accessory in our list is a trunk organizer for Lexus NX. Tired of items rolling around your trunk? The trunk organizer for the Lexus NX brings order to chaos with multiple compartments and adjustable sections that hold everything from groceries to tools. Made of durable materials with anti-slip bases, it stays firmly in place while you drive. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, it saves time, protects your gear, and keeps your cargo space neat. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency every time you open your trunk.
Next item in our list is a mobile phone holder. Drive safer and smarter with a mobile phone holder built for the Lexus NX. Whether you're navigating with maps or taking hands-free calls, this mount keeps your phone secure, accessible, and in view without distracting from the road. With 360-degree rotation and adjustable angles, it's perfect for drivers of all heights and preferences. It installs easily whether it's on your dash, air vent, or windshield, and holds your device firmly even on bumpy roads. Stay connected and in control, all while keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road.
These were 25 different accessories you can add to your Lexus NX. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.